on, the wind.
Hold on right there. Yeah, hold it. Yeah, now hold it. There you go. There you go. Now you good. No! I'm giving you a start. Go. Woo! Hey.
Stop, Miles.
Yeah, we need another guy. You gotta give yourself a start so it can push you, dog. There ain't no wind yet. Hang on. Alright, go. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
My wind's coming.
Brace yourself. Brace yourself. Brace yourself. Alright, where's the best spot for you to be on this thing?
Don't ask me. Jody.
Yeah!
There we go!
Yeah! That's it! You got it. There you go. Yeah!
Go, Miles!
Yeah!
Hold it.
Alright, chill. Don't go too far, man.
I think we should have started from the gate thing.
Start from
the
way over
fence.
there? Alright, let's go start. Back up. Just go back now. Just go back.
Yeah. No, he's gonna go that way still.
Okay.
Remember how the wind's heading.
That was almost the whole thing.
Dude, this would be great if you didn't go too far. Yeah, because this is a strong wind right now. Very strong wind. Dude, this one looks good.
We're gonna go down here. We're too creative for this. What's next, dog? We gotta shoot. Right? Yes, we're gonna try to fly when the wind gets strong. 100 miles an hour.
You're gonna try to fly.
Yes.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah. We should probably jump off.
The fence? Y'all are really crazy. Probably gonna fall once your head.
Alright, right here?
Yeah.
We'll stay on the middle. Yeah, we'll try this. Okay.
Ready, Jared?
Yep.
Yeah, bud. Happy.
What if we can tie two poles together? What? Tie two poles together? Push one on the top. That would be
So we're gonna make another series again.
Let's go. Wait.
Yep, new series.
Let's go get the other half of the PVC pipe. We're gonna tape it.
Okay, got it. Jared, try first.
I'm not moving. It's not moving me. Forget it. I give up.
You don't hate it.
Dude, it's gonna be real good when it gets freaking faster.
Right?
To see me go all the way down. This is our flag.
That's your flag now? I thought that was y'all's parachute.
Awesome.
Watch it?
Yeah.
We're about to make it better. Yeah, we're about to take another PVC pipe and we're gonna hold it right in the middle of it. And it's gonna go. Alright, so that means we need to make this even and not go diagonal.
Ow! That hurt.
Stay tuned. No, stay tuned. We're gonna make it better. Be right back.
Skateboard.
That's my skateboard.